Then next, I'm going to raise the back rails in a semi-polar position. Then lower the top sheet up to the diagonal position. Then the half body of the patient is paralyzed, the left side of the body. Now I'm going to move the patient near to me. Hold the shoulder and the buttocks. Then pull the patient near to me. 1, 2, 3, use body mechanics. 1, 2, balik. Then put the weak arm to the abdomen. Then the strong arm support the weak arm. And the weak leg put in the strong leg. Then I'm going to sit sitting position the patient in count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to